Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll talk about breathwork for beginners, simple technique to get started on your journey for optimal health. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. Let's get right into it. We always want to start off with the baseline understanding of what everything is. Right? What is that you're watching? How do we incorporate breathwork? What does that even mean, right? And so we always talk about alpha. What is your alpha state? What is the state that is optimized to your genetic potential? If you don't know what that state looks like, great, stick around. We'll talk a lot about this. Watch a ton of my videos, get some popcorn, watch all of that so you'll get an idea of what it is. But if you know what the alpha state is, you know that you can push your body to its optimal potential easily if you go ahead and create the routines and the habits that you normally need for you to optimize yourself. And so in the alpha state, alpha health specifically for us, we talk about movement, metabolism, mindset. Movement, metabolism, mindset. We are obsessed with these three core concepts that allow us to automate our health and entangle those three pieces so that it becomes a symphony of what is optimal look like. And so we already touched on metabolism and mindset in other videos, so go ahead to a prior list and you'll be able to see all those types of content. But in this situation, we're going to talk about movement, specifically breathwork. Movement breaks down into breathwork and blood flow. And so blood flow, we'll go ahead and watch those videos. I tie it in there, but in this situation, we'll talk about breathwork. And this is really for you, the beginner, the first person, or the first time you're seeing me, never know what I'm talking about or never heard of these concepts, and you're curious about this world, the world of optimization, the world of self-development. And so I want to thank you for taking the time to actually watch me and really embodying some of the concepts that we'll be talking about. And so breathwork in general is like, everyone thinks about it as just breathing, right? But I want to now set that base understanding of what is the breath. So let's go ahead and just do whatever a breath means to you. So just go ahead and take a deep breath in, right? And I'm going to exaggerate for our purposes. So, right? So you just took in a big breath, you just let it go. But that's a normal type of breathing. But what if I were to tell you that you're not fully activating yourself? What if I were to tell you that you're only breathing from the top of your lungs? And so when you do that, and if you did do that, and some of you might have been hunched over, right? Slumped, or hunched. And so you're not really getting the oxygen that you technically can be getting. Only 20–30%. Now, that's not optimal. And that's what's also causing you to feel tired and sleepy and needing all energy drinks and caffeine and coffee and et cetera, is because of this reason. Now, what I want to do with you is actually do a diaphragmatic breath so you understand exactly what you should be feeling. And this is going to set you up. This is the technique that's going to set you up for success for any activity that you do regarding any physical nature, or not only physical, mental and emotional and everything. So let's go ahead and put our right hand on our heart, left hand on our belly. And what we want to do is we want to take in breath from our belly. So we're going to do something called diaphragmatic breathing. We're going to take in, so when we inhale, we're going to expand the belly so we can actually exaggerate it so our lungs can fully fill at the bottom. And then we'll also take in more sips of air so we can also fill the top, and then we'll let it go, and you'll see that type of state versus what you just did before. We'll do 5 of them, but I want to show you 2 for a demo, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead, put our right hand on our heart, left hand on our belly. I want you to expand the belly, so take a deep breath in from here, rise the chest, and then let it go. Expand the belly, rise the chest, and then let it go. This is great, right? So now we're going to do 5 of these together. At the 5th one, we'll come back and we'll talk further. So in 3, 2, 1. 1. 2. 3. 4. Last one. 5. How do you feel? Perhaps a little sleepy, perhaps a little bit of yawning, perhaps tired. Many different types of emotions, right? Maybe you laughed, maybe you smiled, maybe you cried. A lot of different types of emotions can be expressed, but the big one is you probably felt a little tired because you're not used to getting that much oxygen. You know, think about what we just did. We got from the shallow one 20 to 30%, but when we take in from our belly, when we expand the belly, our lower lungs also get oxygen. And so we're looking at anywhere between 70 to 90% of oxygen uptake when we do it that way. Very powerful concept that I really want you to feel in the moment for. That right there just shows you what can happen when you know how to leverage your body in the optimal state to get the energy that you need. It really, really matters, because that's going to help you heal. That's going to help you be in the present moment. That's going to help you understand how to think about what you're thinking about and tune in, dial in to what's happening inside. If you take anything away from this video, that's the gift that I'm giving you. You'll realize that you won't be thinking about the past. You won't be thinking about the future. You're going to be thinking about now, the present moment. And your present moment is those thoughts that you need to be having that you can take actions on, and that become behaviors that you eventually do over time, which lead to amazing habits, successful habits, habits that serve you versus you serving those habits. And I hope you take that away from this video. And if you got value from it, definitely give me a like, letting me know you liked the video. If you disliked the video, all good. Give me a dislike, letting me know why in the comments below. But what I would really love to see you subscribe, because I know once you start subscribing, you'll go on the journey with me. And in that journey, as a side effect, or even maybe what is expecting or what you're expecting, you'll get the benefits that you're looking for, the results that you're looking for. So other than that, my name is Shaquille. I'm with Alpha. I appreciate you. Enjoy a gloomy LA day, but still great. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.